Hey guys, Czar here. Hope all is well. It's 8:18 a.m. We are in the pre-New York area, just a bit more than an hour out from New York. But I'm watching gold here. I typically don't trade the indices in the pre-market, but I do trade gold in the pre-market if there's a nice setup. And I'm seeing something here that doesn't look too terrible at all. That's the 30-minute chart. I'm going to drop down to the 15. I'm going to drop down to the 10 now for a moment. I'm going to watch this now from the trading screen. This is the daily chart up in the top left hand side, and now the 10-minute down here. This will always be a 30, 15, or a 10, and then this is a 3, 2, or a 1. Right now it's a 1-minute chart. I'm going to bring it up to the 2-minute on gold. Gold's a little choppy and messy. You can excuse my voice here today, guys. A little dry air, and I'm feeling a little raspy, so I do apologize for that. Thank you for your patience. That's the 2-minute there. All right, let's come back here to the 10, to the 15, and to the 30. I'm going to stay on the 30. What I will do here, guys, is put you on pause now that I've set the stage for what I might be looking for. By the way, I'm possibly looking for a short here, just in case that wasn't clear. This zone rejection, range rejection here. Just to be really explicit, I'm going to make it super clear for those who are new. Rejection. Of course, the support part of that zone is down here, and so this would be a zone reversal trade and a trend continuation trade. Think of this as an impulse wave down, corrective wave up to a double top and or prior resistance, and then driving down depending on what happens from here. 8:20 now. We should get a little bit of movement in here, but I'm going to put you on pause and I will bring you back. All right, guys, we're back here. 3 minutes and 41 seconds left in this 30-minute candle. I'm going to go over to the 15-minute here for a moment. Take a quick look at this. And back to the 30, and I will put you back on pause for now. We're back. I just want to take a look at the bigger picture here, guys, the full trading screen. And this is important on the daily chart. What are we seeing here? We're seeing, first of all, a big rejection wick above key resistance. This resistance goes way back to, April 18th, April 19th, and then, of course, just a few days ago, April 13th and April the 12th, the day before. Sorry, 14th and 13th. All the dates are kind of irrelevant. Flipping, turning blue, that is a bearish sign on the daily. Then we have running into resistance here, intraday resistance, of course, intra-session, I should say. We're still within the UK session, but from the Asian session. So inter-session and intra-day futures session. Futures contract started last night, of course, Eastern Standard Time. And so with all of our intras and inters, ironed out there a little bit, or maybe even more confounded. We're going to take a look at this now, and then of course we'll watch here on the 3-minute chart as well. Now in the 3-minute chart I have a 20 EMA. I'll have a VWAP on here instead, and I typically watch that. There's the VWAP there. You know what? I'm going to leave it on here for now because it is helping us a little bit here. As you can see, we've essentially tapped into VWAP here just a little bit earlier at the top of that move. So there's a confluence of factors. What do we have? We had prices below VWAP rallying all the way up, tapping into key resistance, also rejecting on the daily and tapping into VWAP. This is all telling us the same thing, and that is that for the time being, prices want to go lower, in which case I would like to be short. How do we do that? Well, we just got a new candle here. The 8:30 candle often makes a big jump, and we just saw it happen. This is a brand new candle, guys. This candle is 8 seconds old, and it became an outside candle, an engulfing candle of the one before. That all happened in a flash. I don't know if you saw it. And of course, there was also news, ECB news, I believe it was, on the 8:30 candle. So So we saw a little move. We saw a flurry on the three sisters as well, which is the NASDAQ, S&P, and the Dow. I watched that happen on my screen. Sorry, it was a daily. It was the Canadian balance of trade is what we had, and then the U.S. balance of trade, continuing jobless claims, import-export numbers, initial jobless claims update, and so on and so forth. So all of that happening at the same time. Guys, dropping down to the 5-minute chart here real quick, and now dropping down to the 3, dropping down to the 2, dropping back to the 3. Watching very closely, I'm going to bring you back to the micro scale here. This chart can go back on the 30, and this one, here's where I'm watching, guys. I'm going to pretend that wick never happened, this big wick candle, and now looking for a short, guys, on gold, right here, a break of itself. This candle breaks itself. Here we go, getting ready now. Live order, guys, live order. Okay, and I'm going to see that breakthrough before I, and now in, guys, in, and I'm looking for 25 pips on this, guys, 25 pips. Here we go, 25 pips. It is a continuation move. This is a zone reversal and trend continuation. It's both. Undo. My stop, guy, by the way, guys, is it's a 1-to-1. So I'm risking 25 pips, pardon me, guys, $2.50 on gold price, and for a gain of 25. So it's a 1-to-1 risk reward. I use R multiples in my trading. I don't always get the position sizing exact. It doesn't have to be, but pretty close would be really smart. Here we go, guys. 25 pips, first trade of the day. 8:32 a.m. New York time. 8:32. Let me just check my own platform here and make sure my brackets are 20, 42, 40. Okay, good. Here we go. First trade today. Still an hour before the New York session opens, regular trading hours. As of today, I started opening my Telegram group at 8 a.m., which is 2 hours later than normal. That's the new time. My group voted on that, so that's what we're doing. They wanted me to start later. There we go, guys. Mission accomplished. 25 pips real quick on gold, zone reversal, and trend continuation, right? Daily justifying the bearish, the 30-minute, and the micro scale. Hopefully that makes sense. Have an amazing day, and we will talk to you soon. Take care.